Poppy, a cousin. You a nice girl. You do this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You okay, show your face so we can see you. What are you doing? Explain.
I don't know. I'm making paper cupcakes.
Oh, you're making paper cupcakes, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
I rip it off. I open it up.
Yeah, nice. Say hi, girls. How are you?
Hi, girls. I don't know, girls. I got twist up. I don't know twist it up.
You don't know how to twist it up?
Yeah.
Is it beautiful?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Mommy, what's a tie for? Mommy, I'm stopping.
You need something? What do you need? Scissors?
Scissors.
Okay. Go ahead. I'll cut. No. Mommy cuts.
Oh. You
Good. I cut. There you go. That's it. That's all you get. No more.
Okay.
There you go. That's enough, right?
Yeah. No, I make cupcakes. It's someone do. And I twist it up.
Say, I hope you like it, girl.
Mommy, you're not finished. You can
She's not finished.
you can do twist this.
Are you a scrapbooker?
No, I'm not scrapbooker.
Yes, you are. You're scrapbooking with Mommy.
I don't know. If someone do a twist it up. And someone two, one.
Oh, wow. Good job.
Bye, girls.
Bye. Say, see you next time.
See you next time.
Blow kiss.